Hello, so the first park we're going to be visiting on this trip is Animal Kingdom. Today is the last ever day of Dinoland. It is closing today, January the 12th, 2025. We're going to spend a little bit of time there and just explore the park. It's still a little bit cold, but yeah, glad to be here. Join us, Animal Kingdom. Get a picture of it, huh? So we're in Pizzafari for lunch here at Animal Kingdom. Our quick service dining plan doesn't start till tomorrow, so we've just bought this today. You can see that there. So we bought 2 pepperoni pizzas. I've got some garlic bread and a Sprite, coming to $37, almost $38 there. Love this place so much. Just had our lunch at Pizzafari. I think that probably one pizza would be enough to share with, so we're both quite full, but yeah, it was really good. We're now going to go over to Africa. Kilimanjaro safaris is using half an hour, so hopefully it'll still be like that when we get there.
So yeah, between the palm trees, looks like 2 of them back there. They'll travel up to 6 miles out of water and the largest crocodilian species in Africa. They can grow up to 18 feet long. Weigh up to 500 pounds. Look at that. Look at the smiling bar pictures.
Yeah, it looks like I don't even know.
Related to baboons. Yeah, pretty good look at that elephant here. Doing that. They'll eat for pretty much the entire day. The giraffe will only sleep for about 30 minutes. That's it. Usually in small increments as well, so kind of like a power nap. They like to sleep while they're standing, and sometimes their eyes open. Alright, coming back up to those stripes here. On the right, you actually see both of those babies. One of them's rolling around in the dirt right now. The babies either are born with brown stripes, they'll darken as they get older, and with about 90% of their adult leg, as they don't really have a lot of growing to do after they're born. Oh, we're up. Good morning. If you look very closely at these zebras, you'll see hanging from their neck is a really small flap of skin. You won't believe it, but it has a name. It's called a dewlap. My granddaughter happens to be just a year old. She is a little baby elephant there. So my friends, you're looking at 3 generations of elephants right now. Amazing. The matriarch is the one in the far back, with the longest tusks. She tends to be the oldest and the wisest of the herd, leading her family to safety, to food and water, and along their migration every year. Now, out of all 5 types of rhinos, they're the most social, so we tend to find them in groups together. We call it crash rhino. Fire day. Like we said, we're active towards the end of the day, so get done.
So we just did Kilimanjaro safaris. It was really enjoyable, quite cool out here. So it was quite busy on the savannah and on the whole safari, lots of animals. We've seen Kevin just as we entered Asia, and now I'm going to go single rider on Expedition Everest. Currently showing a 30-minute wait, but we'll see how long it takes on single rider. thrilling ride on Everest. Only had to wait about 10 minutes, so that's definitely one ride done. And hopefully I'll get it done again this trip. Just going to meet up with Claire now. Not sure what we're doing. We're quite close to Dinoland. We might go across there. If not, yeah, I don't know. Wait and see. Plenty of time to do everything we want to do. But yeah, got to Dinoland by the end of the day today. Dinoland's very busy at the moment. People taking in their last few clips. So many people here. Tried to set up spin, last ever day of that. All the sort of funfair games are going away as well. This will all soon be sort of Central America themed. That is just a very quick visit to Dinoland done. We'll be back there. This is closing tomorrow. It feels so strange being back here in Disney, only like a few months since we were here in October. It just feels like yesterday. It just feels like there's not a lot to do here in a way, for some reason. Like, it's not as if it's boring or anything, it's just like, just so quickly since we were last here that it feels like we don't need to do anything, just take it nice and easy. And I think we're going to finish the day up here. Or at least Animal Kingdom, and head off to Magic Kingdom after we've been back to the hotel, I think.
A picture.
You know? For me, bless you.